What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today we will take a quick look into REN and do a little price analysis on REN. And in this video I will show you my entry target to stack up my REN position. I will show you my bullish price target, and I will also give you the time window in which I'm expecting to hit both of these targets. And of course, I will give you all the reasons for my analysis and my price targets. But before we're getting started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you guys are brand new, and of course, the first link in the video description is my Patreon account. There you get access to all my portfolio and trading updates live and in real time. Also, there you get access to my Discord community where you can chat with all community members, also including me. So looking forward to see you guys there. And now let's get straight into the analysis. But before we are getting started and going into the REN price chart, I have to tell you something, and that is that I'm generally very bullish on cryptos because of this right here. This is the buyer index. It is a self-developed indicator which is showing us how many buyers are in the market right now. And of course, if there are too many buyers, like for example right here, then this is not a good sign and gives us an indication that a bigger correction is coming and that the trend is over because there are no more people to buy anymore. And of course, if there are very few people in the market, like for example right here, then this is a very positive sign, and that is showing us that the trend is at the beginning and that there is much more space to grow. And you can see right here, right now we are here, and you can see that we have lots of space to grow. So that is why I'm generally very bullish on crypto. And I want to mention this because I have the feeling that when you just tell people or tell in a video that you are a little bit bearish or that you are expecting a little correction, that the people are understanding this, that you are against crypto or something like that. And to get that from the table, I want to show you this, and I want to tell you that in general I'm very bullish, and this right here is my reason for this. And also, if you don't know, so if you guys are brand new on this channel, then if you saw my portfolio, you know that a major share is in cryptos right now. That just in the beginning. So let's go into the REN chart and let's look what price targets are we having. And if you watched my last videos, then you know that since a couple of weeks I'm expecting a cooling down of the market, a normal correction, nothing big, nothing like a crash or something like this. I'm expecting something like this right here. You can see this right here is the total market cap, and we projected this from back here in 2016, where we broke the last time the all-time high in the total market cap, and there we also got a correction. And that is one reason why I'm also said to you guys a couple of weeks ago, I think 2 weeks, so somewhere here, I said that a cooling down and a correction would be very likely, and this indication right here gives us also a clue where we could potentially heading. And let's just also project this on the REN chart. Right here in the total market cap, from the top to the bottom we have a correction of 40%. So really here from the top to the bottom, this is 40%. And right now we can do this with the REN chart too. So here we have the top, then we also have the bottom right here, and you can see the bottom would be 46 cents. And also in the REN chart, when we go into the weekly chart, the 21 weekly moving average is a little bit away, not as far as for example in Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it is a little bit far away. And as I mentioned, I'm expecting the correction to be also something like this right here, so that we get less and less volatility, then a liquidation move that is very fast and very strong, and then we are continuing to going sideways and then slowly starting to move back up. And once we break again the old all-time high right here, then I think you know what also my expectation is, that then something similar like this right here happen. If you want a detailed analysis on this, then feel free to go back on my channel. There I made lots of videos where I explain everything in detail and give you all the reasons for this, and also my price targets in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on and so on. So, and now we want to do this with REN. So then in REN, let's take a look here. This would be our price target right here, so 46.447 cents. But you can see right here, this right here, we have a line of support right here between the 52.7 and the 51.7, and let's just take a rectangle into there. Where is the rectangle there? So let's just make a rectangle. And also here, what I didn't mention so far is that we have an estimated time window when this will happen, and this would be at the end of February till the beginning of March. So that means that here at the end of February, this price target down to this price target till the beginning of March, that would be our first price target, our buy-in target for REN. Of course, I will post the exact price that I will go in, where I place my pending position. I will post that on Patreon, so definitely make sure to check that out. As I mentioned, it's the first link down in the video description. So this right here is my buy-in zone and my buy-in target for REN. And now we can also directly watch what the bullish perspective is showing us. And you can see right here, let's take this last high was here, then we got the low, and right here we had the first daily candle close above it. Let's also make this rectangle into another color. Let's just take this. No, you can't see this. Let's just make this right here a little bit more darker. So this right here, as you can see, was the first day where we had a daily candle close above it. We also had a couple daily candle closes above it, but now you can see we are going right back into the rectangle. But now we can clone this rectangle and project this into the future, and then we get our next price target, and then our next price target for REN would be $1.11.592. That would be our next price target, and also in a time window till the 4th of June. Most likely it is always something in between, so that it will not take this long, so that we are getting an average, so that maybe we will break it right here. Also, we can expect that altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, as I showed you right here in the Bitcoin dominance chart. We are back into the bearish trend, which gives us an indication that the alt season already has started. So it would not surprise me if we would hit that target earlier than the 4th of June. But also the time window that we are seeing right here in the total market cap from the previous cycle back in 2016, this right here is almost 6 months till we really broke the old all-time high. So from this perspective, this time window that we are projecting right here would be a very good match. And also you can see what we are projecting right here also includes a correction. So from the time window and also from the price perspective, so that means that most likely we will have a very good projection right here from a price perspective and also from a time window perspective. So that was the short update for REN. In a final summary, we can say that I'm expecting a buy-in price from here, from let's zoom in a little bit, from 52.5 cents and 46.5 cents, and an upward target from $1.11. And as I mentioned in my last videos, I'm pretty confident that I will get another good entry here in REN, and also in my other coins and positions that I'm planning to buy and that I'm planning to stack up on. As I mentioned, all the updates you will get on my Patreon account live and in real time. So every time I do something, I buy something, I sell something, I will post that on Patreon. So make sure to check it out. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like. If you have any questions, then also feel free to write them down in the comments. If you have, of course, another opinion, also feel free to write that down in the comments. But then also it would be very nice if you add a reason to your thoughts. Also make sure to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any future updates. That's it for this video. See you in the next one, and as always, have a nice day.